Hi, my name is William and I'm a makeup artist. I love trying new products and play with makeup. And today we are going to create a look that I call Summer Glam together with my beautiful friend Josefin Forsberg.
I'm glad you're having me here and I'm feeling honored to be here working with you and Base of Sweden.
So we start with the primer. The primer is 100% organic and 98% natural. And when you apply the primer, don't forget to apply it on the whole face and work from the nose and out to the ears. Today we are going to use the shade Golden after we have applied the primer. I use a wet sponge when I apply the base and work with an easy hand from the nose and out to the ears. And don't take too much product when you apply. It's better to use it twice. So let it be dry, wait 1 minute, and then you can apply one more time to get even more coverage. Okay, let's start with some contouring, just a small one. Use the cheekbones here. And today we'll use a sun powder. So this look, the purpose of this look is that you're supposed to look sun-kissed. And then we have this one. So you want a lot of glow?
Yes, please.
Yes. And when you apply this one, you can smile and work from here to back here. And some rouge. And when you apply the rouge, as you see, I apply here, back to here, and the same here. And the last product that you have on the brush, use it like, just take it over the whole face. Not too much. So everything melts in together. And then we have the eyebrows. I brush them like this first. I prefer to use a pen, especially when you have eyebrows like yours. It doesn't need to be too perfect.
No, exactly.
I used to say that the eyebrows helps your face to talk, I would say. And your eyes pops more when you use when you fill in your eyebrows. So then we have this little eyebrow gel. Put them on the right place. And now it's time for some eyeshadows. The most important thing when it comes to makeup is that you feel beautiful, and try again if it feels wrong. Play with the products and get to know them. We will use this one today. And close your eyes. Open them and look down. I start from out here. And when you apply the shadows, the darkest shadows, put a lot on. And then you blend it. So it's better to put a little bit too much on from the beginning and then you blend, instead of taking too many times. And then you blend. And I also used to say that everyone can wear every color. It just depends on the shade of the color. So now it's time for the mascara. So when I use the lip pen, I prefer to use it only because the lipstick's gonna stays on longer.
And you took a natural one now, right?
Yeah, this was a little bit light pink. And then you blend it in together with the lipstick. So then when you apply, it's much more easier. If you have the lip pencil first and the lipstick after, you doesn't need to be afraid that you're gonna get lipstick outside your lip contour. So everything stays. where it's supposed to be. You're ready to take the summer with storm. You have like a flirty, sun-kissed look. Summer glam.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, my
friend.